Here the demand function is given by the equation 500 minus 0.5x, right? And here cost function is 15,000 plus 130x, right? And here we want to find the value of x which gives the maximum profit, right? So first of all we need to find the revenue function, and the revenue function is given by quantity multiplied by price, right? Now here substitute the value of p, so here 500 minus 0.5x. Now simplify this equation. So this is our revenue function, right? Now we need to find the profit function, right?